Hi everyone, and welcome to the 5-day breathing series. Breathe before bed. Today's practice is going to be 5 minutes long. We're going to use the abdominal breathing technique to help us settle in, get centered, and grounded. I'm going to be doing this practice sitting down cross-legged, but feel free to adjust. You can sit on the edge of a chair, you can do it in bed, or you can even lay down on the floor. So go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Make yourself comfortable. Bring your attention to your body. Relax as much as you can. If you're sitting down, make sure the base of your spine is rooted. Your lower back is nice and relaxed. Release the back of the neck. Relax your neck and shoulders. And become aware of your entire body. Notice how you feel. Then go ahead and rub your hands together. Withdraw the energy to the hands. Then place both hands just under your navel. We're going to be breathing in and out the nose, deeply into the abdomen, keeping your breath slow, deep, and gentle. Go ahead and empty your lungs first. Breathe in through the nose, allowing your belly to expand into your hand. Breathe out the nose, pull the belly in towards the back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel free to close your eyes here, to turn your attention inward. Make sure your chest remains nice and relaxed. Allowing your breath to travel deeply into your belly. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 If your mind begins to wander, bring it back to your breath, the movement of your stomach, and the warmth from your palms. Stay relaxed in your body and fully present with your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rising your awareness to the lower abdomen. Filling your belly with your breath, with your presence and awareness. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax the muscle of your stomach. Soften, relax your whole body. You can keep your eyes closed if you feel good, or you can open them. Just take a moment here for yourself to notice how you feel after this breathing technique. Notice the entire area inside your abdomen. Feel the base of your spine and the root of your body. And rest here in a feeling of comfort, relaxation, and presence. Relax your hands on top of your knees and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and centered. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.